Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Dear brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum. In life, there is beauty, but then there is ugliness. There is joy, but then there is pain. There is ease, but then there is hardship. What creates inside us a sense of resentment and discontent is that false idea and false expectation from life and from ourselves that things have to be always beautiful, easy, joyful, and I have to be always happy, peaceful, excited. And when that doesn't happen, we become disappointed and resentful and very unpleasant. Brothers and sisters, we really have to adjust our expectations. One of the things that I love about the Quran is that Allah Azza wa Jal sets our expectations to be right. Allah tells us that this life has beauty in it, and He created parallel places and parallel islands with greenery in it, and there is fruits and trees and green grass. But Allah Azza wa Jal tells us also life is a test and life is hard. So we have to take both at the same time. And the presence of the hardship makes you appreciate the ease. The presence of the ugliness makes you appreciate the beauty. We have been given this sense to differentiate between ugly and beautiful. Other animals, they don't have the same sensors and the same intellect that we have. So subhanallah, Allah Azza wa Jal wants us to understand that about life. Life could look very beautiful and easy from the outside, but once you get inside it, it becomes very hard and very tough. So how about this? How about we set our expectations the way Allah set it up, the way the Prophet ﷺ lived his life. If Allah brings beauty and ease and joy, alhamdulillah. If the hardship comes, alhamdulillah, and we are ready for it. We're gonna toughen up, we're gonna roughen up. We're not gonna always expect things to be easy. We're gonna expect things to go hard. Right now, we're living at a time of this coronavirus. Everything is hard and panic, and life is disrupted and in so many ways. But that's what we should expect anyway. And we take it, and we say, alhamdulillah, inshallah, after hardship there will be ease, and with every hardship there will be ease. And the path to ease is to always be with Allah, because Allah is with as-sabirin, Allah is with al-muhsinin, Allah is with al-mu'mineen, the patient, the excellent people and the believers. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.